Welcome back, friends. Today I will answer a practical question. Claude Sonnet 3.5 or GPT 4.1, who should use or when for programming work. I will demonstrate a simple task with prompts. I will be sending same prompts to both models uh, so that you can see the difference side by side. In this video, you will get how to install Copilot plugin, then simple task in Kotlin language, then my rule of thumb and sample prompts. Let's start. I have already create empty directory Copilot. I have nothing here. I have already installed this Copilot plugin. If you haven't installed, just click on this extension, which is here, and search for GitHub Copilot, and it takes some time. After that, here you see I have already installed it. If you haven't installed, here you will see this install button. So once this is installed and you are signed in to GitHub Copilot, you will see the same chat window. Here you see there are three types of mode. I will select agent mode for automation, and I will choose the Claude Sonnet 3.5, and this is the default actually, and I will select it for the first. My decision for programming is Claude Sonnet 3.5. It's constantly accurate and great for programming and mathematics. When I need deeper reasoning, brainstorming, architecture options, naming, or trade-offs, I switch to GPT 4.1 or GPT models. Let's start with the demo. I have already selected this agent mode and model 3. Sonnet 3.5. I will write a prompt here. Read password details get and password details test.kt. That's it. Let's see. So let's start creating the utility class of password operations. So and now it is generating test class for all of these functions. Here you can see the summary, and yes, it has most of the validations is valid password, then password strength, calculating, and then hashing the password. And here are the tests. Nice. Now I will pass the same prompt to another model, which is GPT 4.1. I'll create a new chat and keep and continue. And let's see, I will switch the model GPT 4.1 and then I'll type the same prompt. Create password utils 1.kt and password utils test 1.kt. I have named password util 1 and password util test 1 because otherwise it will conflict while creating the file, or it might overwrite the file. So just to see the difference, I have named it differently, and I will hit the enter, and let's see, it has created well, and this is the password util test1 class, test strong password, test weak password, and then this is the main class is a strong password. So the difference is very much clear, as you see here. Considering as a senior developer, it has considered all of these validations, which mainly password field has, like validating the password, right? And then checking the password strength, and then hashing the password. and this generated through GPT 4.1 model. It has only one function, which is a strong password. And these are the tests. First one, and this is generated through the GPT 4.1. So the difference is clear. Sonnet 3.5 gets you working code faster. So my simple rule, programming and math, I use always Claude Sonnet 3.5. For reasoning and suggestions, I use GPT 4.1. So that's it. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment which model you will default to. Need help setting this up? Here's my email ID. Prompts are linked in the description. See you next time.
Okay.